Alrighty guys, we're going to pick apart off a car that I need that I don't feel like ordering and waiting 3 days for. We're gonna pick up a wiper transmission. It's in row 5, space 15. We're gonna see how it goes and see at the car. Alrighty, so I have no clue where the hell row 5 is. This place is awesome. They put everything up on rims. All right. Probably gonna have to get someone to help me because I don't know where I'm going. Alrighty, I think we're getting somewhere. And this is row 10. Looking for row 5. I was right. Hopefully it's still intact. Here's the baby I need. Look at that. It's kind of sad to see my car up on blocks, but it's not my car. Good old, what is this? And it's a diesel. No way. Hey guys, we got to start off these. We got to take off the wipers. We have 2 13s. We got to take those off. Alrighty guys, get the wiper caps off. Now I just got to take off the 2 13 mils. To be respectable, save at least save the nuts. Actually, I can probably take them with me because technically they are mine. Here's a little trick I learned. They call it CPR. You give a little, and the wiper pops off. A little CPR. Funny, a lot of the guys back in the day, they would use like a wiper tool. You can do that, but this way is way quicker, especially if your time is money when you're a mechanic. Someone's been drinking back here, boys. I should have watched how he pulled this off yesterday. I think I have to pry this out and then this will come out. Coming. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, after you move what do you call this? Rain sweep? I don't know. You have 2 10 mils you got to take off here, so we're gonna pull the 2 10s, which I started to loosen them, but I wanted to film it. So you got 2 10s here, and then you have a T30 here, and a T30 over there, and then I think it should pull out, and then I do have to take the wiper motor off because I'm not keeping that. Come on. Alright, so wiper motor is out. I think I gotta pull these T30s next. The next step, you gotta pull the harness off the motor. Should be relatively easy. I'm wondering if I could do it one-handed. Yeah, there we go. And then this thing should lift out. We'll find out. Unfortunately, you do have to pull this T30 because it won't swing out connected to this. Alrighty, funny part is I should have watched more of my own car yesterday. I gotta pull this 10 mil and I believe that 10 mil, and then this will give me enough clearance. Alrighty guys, we got the part out. Now we just gotta take off the motor because I can't, because I have my own motor, and obviously I don't want to pay for it if I don't need to. So I gotta pull these 3 T30s, and yeah, there's my wiper transmission. Guys, we got my part. Obviously it's right there. That's what I needed. 25 bucks versus 150. No brainer. Alrighty guys, we got our parts. We got everything we need. Pretty simple pull, and time to go pay. Tools needed for the job, it would be T30, a 10 millimeter, and a 13 millimeter. But that's it for the job, and I'll see you guys at the car. Alrighty, this place is definitely legit. They got wheelbarrows, they have all sorts of stuff here. Alrighty guys, we just picked up the wiper transmission. It was a relatively easy pickup, or pull I would say. Tools needed for the job was a 13 mil socket, a 10 mil, and a T30 Torx. And yeah, pretty easy. Got it, and I saved $125. I know it took me about an hour to go get it, but 125 bucks is well worth it because the part that I want wouldn't be able to come for 2 days anyway, so I'm still technically winning. But other than that, love it. Check it out. Not too bad, not too bad. And I'll see you guys back at the shop, and I'm going to show you how a professional installs it. 213s.
Rain tray, that's what they call it.
Rain tray?
Rain tray. Let's see, what happened here to this piece of shit?
Damn, that thing's tucked in there.
Okay, seems salvageable.
No? T30. Second T30.
Smells like fucking gas in here, dude.
Yeah, my generator's in the trunk. Is that a harness or is that just a plug? Like
it's like a. This covers the harness.
Oh, okay. 10 mil?
Yeah.
Just the grommet that's bad?
Yeah.
Son of a biscuit. What do you have to transfer?
Little linkage arm.
Alrighty, just transferring over a couple new parts to the motor. T30s.
The way you know it's lined up is when these two things are centered with each other.
Oh, okay. Those two just have to be parallel.
Yep.
That's perfect right there. Is that 13?
Yep.
Installing the wiper motor.
There you go. Now let you see what it is.
Close.
You know the belly button that sticks out like this, so it looks like it sticks out. So he's got a girlfriend up in Pennsylvania. I said, I will pay for your flight to Pennsylvania round trip if you send me a picture of the Depressed to your old lady's ass, but with your Audi belly button over it. You got all fucking mad at me about it. But,
Oh, I gotta voice over this.
I can't talk like that. I can't say that to him. He's all upset. For a funny belly button picture? What?
Torque set is ordered.
Torque set?
T30.
More than one? Your manual is just one thing. Whatever. Fuck it.
And 210s right here. Number 1 and number 2. Plugging in the wiper motor harness. Right in there. Main tray. You have to remove this to get the wiper motor out and the wiper transmission. Installing 210s, 1 bolt over there and 1 nut over here. And we're just spraying some silicone on the, what would you call that? Windshield.
Rain tray trim.
Rain tray trim. Kind of pops into a little spot over here. Just installing the rubber seal.